morning to the 10th standard students. So I already completed statistics. So just I'll revise everything. Statistics, probability, and coordinate geometry. So just a recap. Statistics. So you know how to find out mean. There are three methods: Pratt method, assumed mean method, step deviation method, and Wojcik curve. I have asked you to. We already completed. Probability. Those probability only one formula. Cards, coin, one coin, two coin, dice, two dice, and coordinate geometry. Distance between two points. Section formula. Collinear. Area of a triangle. Centroid, and then equidistant. Now what the int word is equidistant. I've given you many sums to practice in these three chapters. Next, I already started linear equation in two variables. Linear equations. So linear equations two variables are already given the introductions. Just I'll revise the introduction and I'll teach three methods. Which you don't want to waste the time. You can start in your textbook. I will give you the sum number also. You can start the sums solving linear equation in two variables. So there are linear equation two variables. There are three subtopics. First one, using graph, find out, intersecting, coincide, parallel, which I'm not going to teach now. Second one, using the small conditions, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, which I have not taught you. That also I am not going to ask you to do. The third one, find two. They'll give you two equations. Solve the two equations by three methods. That alone I will teach you in the first video. In coming videos, I'll give you the next step, which you can do in the home. Finish it off. Don't need to wait for the school reopening, and I have to myself first. So first, what is meant by linear equation, which I given you the previous class itself. So linear equation in two variables now. Ax plus by equal to two variables. So ax plus by equal to 0. Equation is 0. For example, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. A or a value 2, B or a value 3, and the constant equal to, for example, you can put C. Constant value is 7. So this is your linear equation x on a power 1, y on a power 1. Power 1 na linear equation. Two variables na two variable. So quadratic in a power 2, cubic in a power 3. So this I have given you introduction in the earlier class itself. So I'll go with to solve the equations by three methods. The first method name is substitution method. Second method is elimination method. And the third one method is cross multiplication method. So these two methods I have taught you, and this method I have not taught for you. This class I'll teach you all the three methods. I'll take one sum. I'll teach you very slowly. Listen to the class carefully. Step by step, I'll take a small sum. I'll teach you both the methods. So all the three methods. The first sum, exercise 3.3, first Roman. Exercise 3.3, first Roman. That is x plus y equal to 14. I will take a simple sum. All the three methods. X plus y equal to 14. And second equation, x minus y equal to 4. X minus y equal to 4. Find out the x and value using all the three methods. First, I'll go very easiest method for all the students. For elimination method is easiest one. Why? Because even mental calculus is very easy. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Step number 1. Is it possible to cancel as it is, plus and minus, or you have to multiply any number, or you have to change the symbol? So three things you have to keep in your mind. Either you have to cancel, you can cancel as it is, or you can multiply a number in both the equations, then change the symbol. Anything you decide. So first, x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. Now I put, just add, just check it. Plus y and minus y. If I add directly, I will get cancelled. If I add directly itself, the y variable vanishes. So x plus x, 2x equal to 18, and x equal to 9, 18 upon 2, 9. Next, Substitute x equal to 9 in any one equation which you feel better. Both the equations you will substitute same answer only will get. I'll substitute equation number 2. So x equal to 9 now. So x minus y equal to 4. 9 minus y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to 5. And the very important step is you have to cross check. Check any one equation. X plus y equal to what you have to get? 14. So x order value 9, y order value 5. So therefore you get 14 equal to 14. Your answer is correct. This is elimination method. I'll take same sum to do in the substitution method. You have to get the same answer. Substitution method. X plus y equal to 14. X minus y equal to 4. Choose any one easiest equation. This is a small number. I'll choose the second equation to substitute. In place of me, some other should go. So I'll choose the second equation. X minus y equal to 4. X equal to 4 minus y goes this side and will become 4 plus y. In place of x, in place of some hero, same the movie must go. I'll take any one Tom Cruise. If I take Tom Cruise, in place of Tom Cruise, a Mission Impossible should go. So in place of x equal to 4 plus y, substitute x equal to 4 plus y in equation number any one equation, because from the second equation only you have taken, right? So no need to go again to the second equation. Go for the first equation. Substitute in the first equation. So x plus y equal to 14. In place of x, Tom Cruise, Mission Impossible should go. So 4 plus y equal to 14. So therefore 2y equal to 10, y equal to 5. Same answer I got. Next, substitute y equal to 5 in x equal to 4 plus 5, because I have to find the x value. So x equal to 4 plus 5. So x equal to 9. I got the same answer in both the methods. Cross multiplication method I will teach you now. Same sum in cross multiplication method. So I got x equal to 9, y equal to 5. So cross multiplication method for the same sum, that is x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. So x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. So for the cross multiplication method, step number 1, x plus y plus 14 comes this way now, it will become for all the sum, same concept. X minus y minus 4 equal to 0. For all the sum, the equal must be 0. This is your step number 1. Now step number 2. Step number 2. For all the sums, what is the variable here? X and y, right? So put x, put y. For all the sums, put 1. I repeat, x, y, 1 for all the sums. Next, you have to write the numbers here. How is the easiest shortcut? I'll choose. Under the x, you have to write, close the x. What is the coefficient for y? 1. For minus, what for this y? Minus 1. Coefficient for y, coefficient 1 and 1 minus 1. What is the constant here? Minus 14 minus 4. I repeat, first I will close the x, write the coefficient of y 1 and here minus 1, minus 14, minus 4. Next I will close y. Next I will close y. Close y. What is the coefficient of x? 1. And here coefficient of x? 1. So put the coefficient of x 1. And copy this 1 comma minus 1, copy here. For all the sums, I repeat, I'll wipe out, I'll teach you again for cross multiplication method. See the video carefully. For the cross multiplication method, x, y, 1 for all the sums. Under the x and y and 1, you have to write numbers. Just close the x. Coefficient of y is 1 and here -1. Just write adjacent. And the constant -14 -4. Next I'll close y. Coefficient of x is 1 and this x also 1. Whatever the number is here, just copy it in the 1 -1. In the number just copy it as it is. For all the sum, same concept. Step number 2. Step number 3. X, y, 1. Under that, x upon center minus y upon center minus 1 upon center minus. This is a small tricks. You can read the textbook also. We have taken A1, B1 and all. I am not going to take A1, B1. This small tricks. Center minus for all the sums. Now, just multiply and put. What's the multiplication from left to right? 1 into -4. -4. -1 into -14. 14. -14 into 1. -14. -4 into 1. -4. 1 into -1. -1. 1 into 1. 1. Just put multiply. Center minus for all the sums. Just multiply from left to right. Therefore, step number 4. X upon -18. Y upon this will become +4. +4. This will become -10. And this 1 upon -2. Step number 5. Just equate. Just equate first and the last. So x upon -18, 1 upon -2. So I got x equal to 9, same answer. Equate these two. Y upon -10 equal to 1 upon -2. So y equal to 10 upon 2. Y equal to 9. Same answer I got for all the 3 methods. So now I'll take one more sum. I'll do all the 3 methods and then I'll give you some homeworks based on this. I'll write the sums in the board. You can do finish it off all the sums on based on all the 3 methods. Your home. Cross check your answers. One more sum I will do in all the 3 methods. See the video carefully. So I will take one more sum. Exercise 3.3. First Roman 6th sum. Exercise 3.3. So 3.3. First Roman 6th sum. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 equal to -2. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 13 upon 6. So now you have to take a LCM. You have to find out. You have to convert into normal equations. So 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 equal to -2. So take a LCM. First take a normal LCM. Cross multiply. This will become 9x. This will become -10y. So normal LCM. I'll take the first equation. Normal LCM. So this will become 9x. This will become 10y. And if you multiply normal LCM 6 equal to -2. So again, if you cross multiply now, you will get. If you cross multiply, so 9x minus 10y equal to -12. Is there any way to simplify further? So there is no way to simplify further. So 9x minus 10y equal to -12. This is the first equation now. Now simplify the second equation. Normally LCM cross multiply. So 2x plus 3y upon 6 equal to 13 upon 6. 6 cancel. Finally you got 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Is there any way to reduce further? There is no way. So this is your second equation. Now I'll go further. So your book answer for this 3.3 la first Roman the sixth sum. First Roman the sixth sum we got x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So you have to get x equal to 2, y equal to 3 is the answer. We will proceed for getting this answer. So now I'll go for the cross multiplication method, because which you feel tough, but they'll ask you in the 4 mark questions or 3 marks. Cross multiplication method. Okay. So cross multiplication method, what I told you is that you have to change the equations, that is 9x minus 10y plus 12 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 13 equal to 0. You have to write equal to 0. Next, I said cross shortcut x, y, 1. Now close the x coefficient. What are the numbers? Y got a coefficient minus 10, y got a coefficient 3. Constant 12, negative 13. Next, close the y. X got a coefficient 9, 2. That's it. Now copy the number minus 10, 3. Copy the number as it is minus 10, 3 for all the sums. Step number 1. Step number 2. X upon y upon 1 upon center put minus for all the sums. Now multiply from left to right. Minus 10 into minus 13, 130. 3 into 12, 36. Now, next step, 12 times 2, 94. Minus 13 times 9, 7. Minus 117. Next, last one, 9 3s are 27. This one minus 20. So finally I got x upon 130 minus 36. So 64, 94. Y upon, I'll get 24 plus 117. 24 plus 117. 141. 1 upon 27 plus 20. 47. Now I have to equate, as I said earlier, first and the last. So x upon 94 equal to 1 upon 47. So x over the value 94 upon 47. X over the value is equal to these two. Y upon 141 equal to 1 upon 47. Y equal to 141 upon 47. You get, which is good. So you cancel. You can cross check your answers. Choose any one equation and cross check. This is your cross multiplication method. Now, next I'll move on to the same sum. I'll move on to the elimination. Substitution is quite, you have to use, it's quite tricky, but elimination is quite easy. I'll wind up. Same sum elimination method. So elimination method, 9x minus 10y, I'll take the original, minus 12. 2x plus 3y equal to 30. How to cancel? There is, check whether both the numbers are same. No. Both the numbers are same. No. So you can't cancel the variable. Say, is there any possible to either change the symbol now? Is it any possible to cancel? No. So you have to make the number same. So now think a normal tables. This and this. both the numbers should be same. So you can choose the tables or you can just shortcut. This is the first equation and this is your second equation. Now multiply the first equation by 2. Shortcut. Multiply the second equation by 9. I repeat, multiply the first equation. The number first equation multiply and 9 second equation multiply. So shortcut. First equation 2 all multiply. Second equation 9 all multiply. Shortcut 2 all is 9 all. What is it? Why? Why? You get as y. 2 all multiply panna 18x minus 20y equal to negative 24. If you multiply by 9 na 18x plus 27y, you will get 117. Why? You got the same number. If you change the symbol, this is important step. You have to change the symbol. Your plus symbol will become what? Minus. Plus symbol will become minus, and plus symbol will become minus. You have to change one in the second equation. I'm going to go for the first equation. Now, if you add 18x minus 18x, minus 20y minus 27y, you get minus 47y. Here minus, you get 140 minus 141. Both the side minus minus cancel. Y equal to 3. Substitute y equal to 3 in 3. You choose any one easiest equation. I'll go for second equation. So I'll go for second equation. Therefore 2x plus 3y minus 13 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 y value 3 minus 13 equal to 0. So 9 minus 4. So x equal to 2. So you can cross check. Same as I got it both the methods. I repeat one more time. If you are unable to cancel, just multiply the first equation by this number and second equation by this number. The shortcut. Multiply this one by 2, multiply this one by 9. With normal addition, change the symbol to get the value. Those who doesn't understand, see the video one or twice. You can find out the easiest way to solve 3 equations based on elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. So based on this, I'll give you the maths homework. You can do what are the sums. You can finish it off in your note, or if you can do in the rough note, or you can paste in the note there, afterwards. But do cross check your answers. So now I'll ask you to do. I'll write the sums in the board. You can copy. So kindly utilize the time in this lockdown. These are the sums you can do. Solve by all the 3 methods. Multiply this fourth sum, multiply both the side by 10. Then it will be easy to find out. No need to go for decimal. Multiply both the side by 10. Example 11, 12. Next exercise 3.4 first Roman fully. Example sums which you choose, you can do, no problem. Exercise 3.5 first Roman. So no need to depend upon me. You can choose any sum in your textbook which you can solve by all three. In the next video, I'll put the first exercise and second exercise. So kindly take it serious. Kindly take it serious. What are the sums? Because after school reopens, I will have a time to revise only. Revise only. I'll have a time. So take it seriously. Go through your textbook. If you have any doubt, uh, text me personally through WhatsApp. Then I'll try to solve in the next video. Take it seriously. Thanks a lot.